Hello everyone, I am Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that today is the second class of this week English. So today I thought to introduce you my songs. So today is a song day for this week. Actually, I have read a lot of comments of you asking me that why I choose just one music for the background for like every shot of mine. So let me tell you, let me clear this query of yours that the song which I choose as a background music in every short video of mine that is written and composed, and even I have sung that song. So that's why I choose it for like every video of mine, short video of mine. And one more thing I want to say that this song I have also sang it in front of. He's a well-known personality. You must be knowing, must be aware of him. He's Bagheshwar Dham Baba. So I have even sang this song in front of him. So okay, let's begin. So this is Thank You God song. I have written it, I have composed, and I have sung it. I have its copyrights, everything. Okay, so this is a Thank You God song. Okay, so I'll explain it, the lyrics. So when after that we'll sing together. Okay, so okay, this is thank you God for a vigorous life. Thank you God for a vigorous life. Vigorous life means happy, cheerful, dynamic, um, full of mental strength, like that, strength, happiness, full of cheerfulness, that life. Thank you God for a vigorous life. Thank you God for always being my side, for always being my side. Thank you God. Thank you God for making me delight. Delight is happiness, pleasure, satisfaction. So to make me happy, thank you. Thank you God for making me delight. Oh my merciful God. Merciful God, you must be knowing merciful is mercy. Okay, so you must be knowing about it. Oh my merciful God. Now, let's come to the first paragraph of it. It's there were impediments in all my way. There were impediments. Impediments refers to as impediments can be a person or a thing which acts as an obstacle or a hindrance in your path of achievement to achieve your goals or success, which causes hindrance or which acts like an obstacle. That is someone or something that is referred to as impediments. Okay, so like I wanted to say that there were impediments in all my way, like there were a lot of people being obstacles and my misfortune, everything like that. So there were a lot of impediments in all my way. Almost every relation gave me betray. Betray is to cheat, being disloyal, unfaithfulness. So almost every relation like cheated me, being unfaithful towards me. So this is what. Now, but then your divine grace came without delay. But then your divine grace, your blessings came without delay. Oh my doting God. Dotting God. So why I have used this dotting word here? Dotting implies the one who gives you unconditional love, positive, like blind love. Like we can use it for parents. Like almost every parent, parent is like, no matter their child loves them or not, but still anyhow they love their children. So this is what God is also. So no matter how much we love, we demand whatever we do, but still they love us. So that's why I have choose dotting here, dotting word. So oh my dotting God. Okay, now second paragraph. I always thought my fortune was in a bleak. I always used to think my fortune is fate, luck. Okay, bleak. Bleak is hopelessness or depressing when you are not expecting any improvement. You can it can also be referred as despondent. I have taught you earlier, right? So that is bleak. Is despondent, to be despondent. So that is what bleak is. So I used to think like now nothing can happen. So I always thought my fortune was in a bleak. Okay, or in every way, fiasco popped and peep. Now fiasco is complete failure. Okay, complete failure. That too very embarrassing one when you face. So that is in every way. I mean, like in whichever field I choose, whichever way I selected, whichever in which whatever I wanted to do, like I wanted to write a novel, I wanted to be this, I wanted to be that, whatever I choose, I just faced a complete failure, that too very embarrassing one. In every way, fiasco popped and peep. Okay, but then your heavenly grace made my wounds to heal. But then your heavenly grace, from the heaven, your blessings from the heaven, made my wounds to heal. That wounds which were caused due to that failure, that embarrassment, a lot of struggle, due to that it healed those wounds of mine. Oh, my bountiful God. Now, bountiful is generous, kind, loving. Why it is used in bountiful God is to acknowledge or praise acknowledge and praise divine generosity or abundance that goes beyond for what humanity could even ask for or deserve. So you are that kind, loving, that generous. So that's why I used, oh my bountiful God here. Okay, so let's sing together, okay? Thank you, God, for a vigorous life. Thank you, God, for always being my side. Thank you, God, for making me delight. Oh, my merciful God. There were impediments in all my way. Almost every relation gave me betray. But then your divine grace came without delay. Oh, my doubting God. I always thought my fortune was in a bleak. In every way, fiasco popped and beat. But then your heavenly grace made my wounds to heal. Oh, my bountiful God. Thank you, God, for a vigorous life. Thank you, God, for always being my side. Thank you, God, for making me delight. Oh, my merciful God. Oh, my doubting God. Oh, my bountiful God. Oh, my merciful God. Okay. So this is thank you, God. Okay, so let's come to the second part. So as today's song day, so today I'm going to introduce you another song of mine. So I have written it, composed it, I have its copyrights, and this is English plus Russian song, mixed bit of Russian in English. So that one was for my God, and this is for my goddess. So okay, the lyrics is, my parents and grandparents told me about your presence. I am saying, referring to goddess. Okay, so I am saying like my parents and grandparents told me about your presence, that you are present in this world. Okay, you are the creator of this world. You created this world. You are the creator of this world. Even an ant's words are heard. Even you hear an ant's words are also heard by you. You hear. You are present every being of this world. You are present in every human being, every animal, tree, plants, whatever it is. You are present in every part of this world, everywhere of this world. This is what I was taught and learned. This is what I was being taught by my grandparents, by my parents, and this is what I have learned. Okay. So then why the crying, pleading, sufferings? Then why all these crying, these pleadings, and the sufferings of this broken heart, of my broken heart is left unheard? Why are you not hearing my pleadings, my cryings? So I'm referring to goddess. Okay, and so these lines are now Russian. Okay, Pajalyusta. Pajalyusta, I have introduced earlier. I have told you. Pajalyusta is to say please. So here, Pajalyusta slushayate minya. Slushayate is to listen. When you are referring to, your elders, means a formal way of saying that is when slushayate is used. Otherwise, when you are referring to younger one, or like you have to say informal way of someone to listen to you. So to listen for that in informal way is slushai. I'll introduce it later. Anyways, so this is the formal version of to say to listen. I mean, okay, to listen. Please listen is Pajalyusta slushayate. Menya is me. So Pajalyusta slushayate menya. Please listen to me. O Maya Boga. O Maya Boga is O my goddess. For O my god in Russian is O moj Bog. But for O my goddess, I am referring to goddess. Okay. So for that it is O Maya Boga. Okay. So let's sing. I mean, I will sing. Okay, so this is my parents and grandparents. To me, bow your presence. You are the creator of this world. Even an ant's words are heard. You're present every being of this world. This is what I was taught and learned. Then why the crying, pleading, sufferings of this broken heart is left unheard? Pajalyusta slushayate menya. Umaya Boga. Umaya Boga. Umaya Boga. Umaya Boga. Okay, that's all for today. Stay tuned to learn more words in English, Russian, Spanish. Okay, till then, bye bye. See you.